Hello everyone, welcome to Solo Sword again. We got 4 winners for the last giveaway. I'm so happy for them. Today I want to show you how easy it is to make yourself for a unique winter and spring hat. I'm using this 10 inches glass leaf as a guide. I'm dividing the circle by 8. My hair circumference is about 22 inches, so I'm making the chin slightly bigger, and I cut in 2 pieces. I'm also using the lid to cut the brim. I'm measuring 1.5 inches on the center of the brim. We're gonna connect the brim to the chin later on. Iron on the interfacing for both sides of the brim. Circle is 42 inches and my hair circumference is 22, so I almost have to subtract half. bring to the trim. Now we can put them together for both layers. Picking the size for the front or the hat. So we sew from the front to the back. After we enclose the back of the trim and one side is done. All we have to do right now is just enclose the other side of the trim so this hat is complete. Now I'm going to show you how to make myself a happy spring hat. This one is slightly bigger, so I had to add about for the circle. The teddy almost the same as the first hat that we made. We basically divide the circle in 8 and cut 2 pieces for reversible, so you can wear wherever that you please. Fold it slightly little bit more than the last time because it's bigger, and instead of bore you with the math, we basically gonna almost make the same, and this time the size is slightly bigger, and also cutting the brim bigger as well. I'm using the thinner material for this hat, so it's much easier to sew than the last one. We finish the trim, now we can install it. I'm using slightly different technique than the last one. I'm going to put the trim in between 2 layers, so basically sandwich it. also sold it from the front to the back. After we enclose the twin, the crown is slightly larger than the twin, so we're just gonna fold the extra material together on the back side of the head. Well, this way you don't have to calculate it exactly the same, and it's easy and it's fun. I like it. So we're folding the extra on the other side as well. Both sides the same. Different folding technique. Either way is fine. Yay, our head's done. This is the one side of that winter hat that we made. After we reverse, and now we got another hat. This is also a winter hat. And I added decoration on the side. You can basically add anything you want. Just make it fun. Here's my hat. This is the spring hat. Happy spring hat. This is big size. I like the back actually. It's different. You can check the link here for more sewing projects. And we got another hat. This is my happy spring hat. Hope you like it too. I will see you all next time.